Hello, hello to all my sweet friends out there. This is Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have an Angel Dream Crafts Kim part 2. If you saw part 1, then you know I didn't show you what was in the box. But I'm ready to reveal. If you didn't see part 1, then you missed out the explanation of this beautiful box. So you want to be sure to catch that. So if we open the box, what I did is I painted the inside of the box. And look what we have. Yes, we do. Look at this. Oh, does it get any cuter than this, guys? Look at her. I had so much fun. I had fun with Kim's dangle laces, with the pink trim, with these laces. I mean, it's just, yeah, isn't she adorable? So in case you're wondering, and I know, I apologize because I always forget to do this. I can't tell you why. I just do. This measures 4 1/4 by 3. So she's a tiny little gem, but she's a keeper for sure. And the outside is fabric. This part back here is a piece of upholstery fabric. Dana had given me, Dana, my really good friend, had given me, I'm trying to look and see if I've got, yeah, I've got quite a few pieces of upholstery fabric. Upholstery samples, I think you'd call them. So when I created this, I thought about using this one here, and I did think about using this one. Isn't that just gorgeous? But I settled on that because the Elegance Graphic 45 paper Elegance, it has a lot of black in it. So yeah, I just kind of thought that might be the way to go. And this closes using the safety pin with beads on it. And what this does, the way this works, is and you've got to make sure that you hold it down because these beads are going to want to come off if you don't. I just closed it using this trim here. So if you put a ribbon around this as a closure, then you could use the trim in any of your projects. So that is the front. We have layered lace. We've got a piece of this crochet work that I just think, I don't think, this looks more like macrame knots than it does crochet work. It's more of a weaving. And then on top of this lace is where I put this dangle lace, which is attached to this here. So you can kind of see how that works. It's just cute. And when we open it up, I backed it with another upholstery swatch that I had, and here is one of the crocheted squares that I had in February's lace. So beautiful. All the links to Kim's Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, of course, will be in the description box, as well as my shop and the other designers. You want to make sure that you visit the other designers because they've got some really great ideas for uses with lace. Lots and lots of inspiration. In this first pocket, we have some of the Graphic 45, and then I folded up this piece of paper so that you would have journal space. And there is some of Kim's pink lace at the top of this tag. Then there we go. I know we go in there. There we go. Then I did a fold here with the Tim Holtz paper clip, and I put a little bead, and then I put a couple of the Graphic 45 tags. Isn't that so pretty? So that is what is being held in here with the paper clip. So you turn the page, we've got the elegance. We have a piece of a vintage looking paper, and here is some trim from Kim's shop. Great journal spot there, and couple tags being held by this belly band. This belly band, this trim here is also from Kim's shop. Isn't that just so pretty? And then there is a Tim Holtz tag here, and this is Graphic 45 from Elegance. Tim Holtz just fit right in here with that beautiful pink rose. Then I used some of the pink trim from the shop on this page and some of the white trim on this page. And I made a belly band out of the cardstock, and I cut a piece of this trim off and used it right there. And then in here we've got, this is Tim Holtz, and then there's two tags here from the Graphic 45 kit. Coffee dyed paper, I used another one of these, the same as what's here on the front. And it very much looks like weaving and a square knot in the center. And then this is Tim Holtz. We are sticking, hold on, we will come out. There we go. This is Tim Holtz, and this is Tim Holtz. So I just created a tuck with this little piece right there. And then this is, I want to say this might be Tim Holtz as well. And this is lined paper, and I just folded it back, and I used a paper clip, put a bead on it, and put a tag here. This is deli paper right here. And then I took scraps. Let's see what I did do here. Okay, I took scraps of paper and just put them on like this so that you could use these to doodle with. And then this is from Kim's shop. That was a little swatch that I had left over, as well as this really, really pretty piece of lace there. And then you can see here is more of that trim. So this sits here with this little paper clip. Yep, keeping it on like that. Journal space, but you've got, I also added a tag here so that keeps in place with the paper clip. Then we've got another paper clip here, I made a little tuck and added another piece of vintage looking paper, folded it up, so if you wanted to, you could add a little, you could use this as a little pocket and just add a little something there. As a matter of fact, we could do that. Let's see what I've got that might be cute there. Let's not talk about it, Charlotte. Let's do it. So let's see. Let me get in my stash of stuff. And that way, too, you can see what we're putting in there. How about this? This would be really cute. And that. And then, let's see. Let's see if I have something tall and narrow. I'm here, guys. I'm just kind of fussing through my stuff, and I can't really see what I've got. How about, this would be cute. So we'll put that in there and that in there. Yeah, that's really, really cute. And I don't think that's going to keep us from being able to close. You know, the more you put in here, the thicker it gets, but I don't think, yeah. So that's cool. Turn it over, we have a little little tag there, and then we've got some more of Kim's lace right here. I added a little snippet of the paper there, and the back holds this envelope that has, we've got something in here, I know we do. There's a stamp and another stamp, little 2-cent stamps to play with, and another piece of Tim Holtz memorabilia. So there's a tag and 2 stamps. And this is a Tim Holtz chip piece, alphabet chip piece. So this just sits. Oh, best of all, I added this trim. Isn't that beautiful? It comes by the yard, and I just cut 2 of the hearts out. Kim's shop. This is a vintage envelope, 1932. This was already written on. So I thought that was cute. 2 cents. Wash something. So I thought that that was pretty neat. So that just sits in there. It's supposed to sit in here. Maybe, no, sorry guys, it came from this side here. Okay, there we go. Goes on that side, like, I think goes on that, well, it doesn't matter. Then I created a pocket here and added some more of this dangle trim from the front of the journal. And here is a tag. Maybe I had it like that. Then a beautiful piece here, and I used one of the 2-cent stamps and a sticker there and some trim. Punched a little mini heart, coffee tea-dyed paper, so that just in case you wanted to journal. And then here we've got, pretty sure this is Mr. Holtz as well. 2 tags inside of this pocket. I have to admit, I love a little mini. I hope everybody's doing well. I know I didn't ask you. So cute, right? Here is some more of that gorgeous trim right there, those blue hearts. Here is another strip of the ribbon from Kim's shop, as well as here we did a little dangle, and then some pink lace from Kim's shop, and then just some more little cute pieces of paper. You can take those apart and use them as little journal slots. You can use them as little tags. You can make some collage with them. Paper clip with another bead. Look at how beautiful the trim looks. You know, you get a yard of this, and you've got 2 pieces, and look at how pretty that is. And then there is a tag, of course, and you certainly can journal on that as well. And then here we've got another tag and some more of Kim's lace right here. Some coffee tea-dyed paper. This is also on the front of the little book. Isn't that just beautiful? And it makes a beautiful, beautiful pocket. We've got a card there, and then of course paper dolls. I thought he and her, bride and groom, perfect in this little journal. And then we've got a piece of cardstock with some more pink lace. Here is some of the deli paper, the back side of the lined paper that had the holes. I love those. And I just put a little piece of scrap on there, and it has the dress form and some of the roses. Then another, I mean, just look at it. Makes it, doesn't it? Doesn't it just look beautiful? Created a pocket. This was gifted to me, this wax seal, and I put a couple little tags in there. This is the back side. I went ahead and folded it over. I wanted it to be, I know it's two separate pieces, but I think it's so beautiful. I wanted to use it on that side as well. And then here is a piece of the dangle lace that's been cut down. Little mini heart and a couple little tags there. One is heavy like cardstock, and this is more like computer paper. The back side of that, and then there is a tuck here. So isn't it just so cute? And then all I do to close it up, like I said, you could use a ribbon if you wanted and then turn around and play with the trim. I just wrap the trim around like this. Just like that. And then where it meets, I go ahead and use the safety pin, being careful not to lose those beads. And there she goes, and she fits very nicely in this box. So guys, that is part 2 in the last design team project for the month of February. I hope that you enjoyed this, and she will be in my shop. So if you are at all interested, go on over. The link is in the description box and have a look. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Hugs to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.